Labadlali badlala umdlalo obucayi kakhulu kumuntu ongaboni emehlweni njengoba udinga ukuthi ulibone ibhola uma liphonswa nokuthi lihamba ibanga elingakanani uma wicket keeper elivimba ngephini lakhe. uJacob Kaweng oyiphini likasihlalo wenhlangano iThe Blind Cricket Northwest uchaza ngokuthi bakwazi kanjani ukudlala lo mdlalo bengaboni emehlweni.
It's compulsory for those totally blind to be in there, but then also again you will just notice them by wearing glasses. The glasses is just to make sure like no one is cheating. If we say you are totally blind, indeed then you are so totally blind.
uKaweng uthi ibhola abadlala ngalo lizwakala ngomsindo phakathi ukuze i-wicket keeper ikwazi ukuzwa uma ibhola seliphosiwe.
The mainstream one, it's more harder than this one that we're using, because ours it's more of there is balls, small balls inside, or maybe the clocks inside. It's a white hard, very hard, made with hard plastic ones. So those bells inside, they are able to make for a especially totally blind people to hear.
Bathe ukubonisa ukuthi badlala kanjani. Kuzoba kokuqala isifundazwe iNorthwest sisingathe imidlalo efana nalena ezoqala kusukela ngomhla ka-26 kuye phezulu kuya kumhla olunye kuNhlaba eJB Marks Cricket Stadium.